Okay guys, welcome back to my new video, how to make free cash, free PayPal cash daily using a free method. Everyone can use this method. All you have to do is take action and make these steps that I will show you right now, and you can start right now to use this method and start make money online. Okay, so first I want to show you how many cash I make from this system. Only 10 days. Okay, this cash, I make this cash only on 10 days. So let's go to my PayPal account and I will show you my proof. You can see here over $3,000 on 10 days, and I think you can do it too. All you have to do is take action. Okay, so let's start and close this page. Okay, so step number one, please visit PaysPre.com. This website, like ClickBank or any affiliate program, you can join for free, and you can choose your product. There is unlimited beautiful product and very convert product that you can find on this affiliate network, and you can make money from this network. Okay, when you have a free account, you can join for free. Like I said, you have to log in and you will find this page. In the top you have marketplace, so visit marketplace and you will get this page. You can see here there is a unlimited beautiful and very convert product that you can use and promote and earn free cash daily. Of course, I will show you some product that I am promoting and getting unlimited sales from this product. This everything is for free. Okay, I will show you the free method that you can use and earn free cash daily. Okay, you can see here in the top Turbo 3 Cash machine. Let's visit this product. You can see this is very beautiful product, very convert product, and of course you can use it and promote it and earn cash daily. Okay, let's visit another product. You can see email process system. Let's visit.
WTV is on your side tonight.
Okay, you can see another product, very beautiful and very convert. And of course, you can choose and promote. You can promote this your link on Facebook or any social media. And of course, I will show you my way how I am promoting this product. Okay, let's visit another product. Okay, you can see instant PayPal. Okay, this is also very good product. Okay, beautiful. All you have to do is take your link and promote. You can use Facebook, YouTube, free traffic, traffic exchange, PTC websites. Okay, you can use any traffic. In the next 1 minute, I will show you what traffic I am using to promote this product. Let's see another product. Okay, this is also very nice product. Like you see, very nice. Okay, there is a proof, there is a bonuses, very nice, $5. Okay, don't buy this product, you have to promote these products. Okay, you have to promote and sell this product, and you will get commission 100% for every sale. Okay, the top product that I am using here is a Turbo 3 Cash machine. This is very good product, and Instant PayPal Club. This is also very nice. There is more product that you can use and promote and make free cash. You can see here, create link. So all you have to do is click and put here your username. Okay, and click, then you will get this link. This is your link, this is your affiliate link. On this case, this is mine. Okay, so all you have to do is take this link, and I will show you my way how I am promoting this link and earn free cash daily. Okay, so copy, Control C, and you can close this window. Now I will show you how I am promoting this product using free traffic. Okay, so you can go to Google and type on Google traffic cachlist.com. You will get this website. Of course, you can use it. You can choose one of these packages and promote your link. But the point from this video is to make free cash without spending any cent. Okay? The point is to earn without invest. Okay, so you can find here in the left online link ninja. So let's visit, and you will get this website. Okay, you will get this website. Okay, so you can choose this free traffic exchange. Okay, you can sign up and get free traffic from this website. It's free traffic. You can see here there is all this website. It's free traffic. And of course, you can see also this website that you can get free traffic. Top 10 auto serve sites you will get automated traffic from. Okay, this is also you can get a unlimited traffic for free. And you can see here you can buy traffic without make any account with this website, so you can get all the time traffic without do nothing. This is an option. Okay, this is an option. You don't have to buy this traffic. You can use it, these websites, and you will get free traffic all the time. Of course, if you order, you can get, then you will get traffic from Google, Yahoo, Bing, Facebook, and it's free. Okay, so when you order here, you will get unlimited traffic from these websites and from Google, Yahoo, Bing, Facebook, and everywhere. Okay, you can get all the time traffic from these websites to your affiliate link. Now, if you want to choose a paid traffic, you can go to this website, Traffic Cache List, and you can choose one of these packages. You can go here to unlimited website visitors, and you will get these packages, so you can get unlimited traffic from this website to your affiliate link. Also, if you want more traffic, you can go to, you can search in Google Safe Traffic Rotator, Safe Traffic Rotator. You will find this website. Okay, so this is the form. You can put your link here. Okay, I will show you how exactly to do it. Copy. Okay, you can put your link here, choose your package, and of course your name, your email, check the read and accept the terms of use, and order now. Then you will get unlimited traffic to your affiliate link. Let's see. Okay, if you want more traffic, paid traffic, you can visit Turbo website traffic. You will get this page.
Hey, everybody.
Okay, you have here advertising, so all you have to do is go to advertising and put, you know, your name, your email, your link. Okay, from Payspring, choose your package and check this and click order. Now look, I think if you want to make money without invest, I think don't pay for traffic right now. The point, like I said, from this video is to make free cash, okay, from this website, so you can promote your link for free, and you can earn free cash daily without invest any cent. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you need any help, so please type your comment below this video. I will be happy to help everyone. Thank you again for watching, and have a good day. Thank you very much.